Today, we're taking a close look at a compact flyer that's designed to make learning to fly fun, simple, and surprisingly impressive, the H135 Mini Drone. Meet the H135, an intelligent mini quadcopter built for kids, beginners, and anyone who wants a smooth entry into the world of drones. Despite its tiny size, this drone packs powerful features normally reserved for larger, more advanced aircraft. With a 6-axis gyroscope, 2.4G stable signal, and a lightweight yet durable ABS plastic frame, the H135 is engineered for steady, controlled flights, even if it's your first time behind the sticks. You get dual cameras with optical flow positioning, giving you a crystal-clear HD view from above. And thanks to the 180-degree electrically adjustable lens, you can capture more of the scene without needing to reposition your drone. Simply connect your smartphone via Wi-Fi FPV and watch your videos and photos in real time. Flying the H135 is incredibly easy. With Headless Mode, directional confusion becomes a thing of the past. With altitude hold, the drone hovers automatically, perfect for beginners learning stable controls. You can toggle between 3 speed levels, from gentle beginner mode to high-speed fun at 6 meters per second. Want some excitement? Hit the joystick and enjoy 3D flips and fast rotations, fun tricks that make this little quadcopter feel like a pro-level toy. And safety hasn't been forgotten. Protective full-cover guards keep the propellers tucked away, reducing the chance of damage or injury, making it an ideal drone for younger pilots. Powered by a 3.7-volt, 1800 milliamp-hour battery, you'll get around 5 to 10 minutes of flight time, and a quick 60-minute recharge keeps you ready for the next adventure. Whether you're gifting a drone to a child or introducing yourself to aerial photography and FPV flight, the H135 Mini Drone delivers big fun in a small package. Let's dive into the build, test its performance, and see if the H135 really lives up to the hype.